Welcome to the tutorial and instructions on how to utilize the Chrome extension app called Makes Gift Cards for Shopify. It works for any Shopify program that has gift cards enabled. Assuming you have purchased a year-long membership for the application, you should be getting taken to a web page like this, which explains the steps, which would be, again, check for your license via email, the download, and then obviously the video instructions that you're looking at now. If we check our email here, we see we do have a license code. We've got the links here as well within this email, so if you forget there, you come back later, they still will both be available in this email. If we click on download the app and then click on add to Chrome, you'll see two websites that it's going to request data for. Obviously, we have to be able to get the data off of your Shopify store that creates the gift card number that we need to save, and then the Makes Gift Card as well, which checks the license. I'll hit Add Extension. You'll see in the top right corner it'll slide out. When I click off, it might slide back. If it does that, click on the little puzzle piece there and we'll slide down to find it, and then we'll click on the pin button. This has to be done because this pop-up window has to be available when the pop-up window has to be available for the script to run properly. So if we click back to our Shopify store here, and as long as we're in the products gift card section, this is the only place where that script can actually run. We have to be on this page to be able to initialize this script. So if we click on this, you'll see too that we need to enter a license key, and we had one of those in our emails, so we'll bounce back to that quick. Do a little copy and paste. And hit unlock, and sure enough, we're in. Here we have three fields that we can fill out. First field is the number of gift cards you'd like to generate. It can be up to 1,000, 2,000, whatever you'd like. And then the amount you'd like to put for each of those gift cards. And then a card note in case you wanted to tag any of those cards, maybe specific for a specific type of event that your store is promoting at that time. In this situation, I'm just going to do a single card. And we'll hit run. It'll see it's running right now. Now this browser has to be left open and you cannot go to another tab, meaning you should just slide this off someplace or maybe run this when you're leaving the office so that it can go through all these steps and create the gift cards and extract them, and then it will save them to a CSV file. As you can see here, it just kind of times and works its way through it. You just saw that the note got filled out here. It should save this and then it should return us back to our start screen, or where we started here, which was under the products gift card section. Once it's run its full cycle here, we'll open up the file that it generates, and we can show you that here the CSV file was created and it has that gift card code in it. From there, you obviously can put those into your emails, mass communication, or we actually send these out and get them put onto physical cards that we can hand out at events and whatnot. So